You might hear this and be like, oh, but I do watch Spanish shows. But do you really? Or are you just watching it one time and never watching it again? Or are you watching it but not pausing and searching up the verbs and searching up the words? Because there's a specific method to watching the content, not just hearing it in the background, but rather actually pausing and studying each individual word. Okay? Because we want to study it, not just watch it. And so you'll see the most commonly used words and verbs in real native Spanish content, right? You'll see ser, estar, ir, haber, tener, poder. You'll see all those verbs and their most commonly used conjugations. And you'll also see, que, lo que, a, para, por, en, words like these that are like the glue of sentences. You'll see those words being used all the time in real native Spanish content. And so what happens is you'll learn them in proportion to how often they are used. That is the sauce. That is the key here. Okay. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.